Alright, so it is morning of day 3, or 4. 3 of this weekend, 4 in total. This morning we went back to the hardware store. We saw Ace was running a special on paint for Labor Day, so they were doing a buy one get one free, so we picked up the paint for the master bedroom, Kelly's office, my office, and the parlor, just because we were there. There was a limit to how many you could get, so I think we're only going to get one coat out of the deal, but hey, 2 free cans of paint. It's 2 free cans of paint, so we're glad we did that. And then we had to get the dehumidifier, so I just finished setting that up. And now I'm about to take on my task for the day, which is going to be removing the Dumbwaiter and all the rest of the garbage from the basement. So that's the plan for the day. We have about 4.5 hours till we have to head back to New Jersey. And in that time, my goal is to finish cleaning out the basement. Kelly's goal is to finish stripping the wallpaper on the second bedroom, which we actually we finished the master last night, which was awesome. It's a great feeling of relief. So we have that kind of win under our belt. So she's gonna be working on that today, and I'll be working in the basement. And we'll see what happens. Okay, so first thing I need to do is take the reciprocating saw to the dumbwaiter behind me. So that's interesting. That came right out. I did not expect that. That's kind of cool. Wow. I kind of like those. They're not great. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Let me get a flashlight. What do you say? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's just it. Yeah, this is gone. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. I cut this apart and save as much as I can. See, that's a problem right there. I don't know if you can see that. See, there's a pipe right there, and I don't want to mess with that. But I need to get this off. So I'm thinking, what are we thinking? Hearing protection is important. I didn't wear these yesterday, and I kind of regret it because ears were ringing last night. So I'm gonna pop these on. Oh, I think I'm an idiot. I wish I would have thought of that. Let me see if I can. So I just realized, I'm trying to save as much wood as possible to use in other stuff. I'm going to try to cut the nails off. try it cutting the nails. Up. That's so much easier. I thought when I took that out, the whole thing would kind of just collapse. That did not happen. Oh, mama. That's, well. This antique hardware, just amazing, gorgeous. And with that, it's gone. It only took me an hour. That's pretty good. I thought it was gonna take longer. It really, I was taking up a lot of space. I didn't even realize it. Now look at it. I mean, that's nice. I also have an idea for what I want to do with the basement. Now, the issue of water penetration is obviously first on my mind because of recent events. And I was thinking, in a really bad rainstorm, one of the places that water could get in, besides around the windows, which only can be caulked, is the entryway. And the fact that I don't have a door on there right now does worry me a little bit. There's also the main stack, which hangs over. You might be able to see there in the ceiling. Me at 6'4", and that at 6'3", aren't really best friends right now. So I'm thinking is maybe I dig down deeper. Maybe I have a little step down to an area lower and then put a drain there. That way, if water collects, it's still lower than this, and I can put the sump pump back there. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on water mitigation, so I got to do some research on that. But really, it would just help my head. Now, how to get all this stuff out? One project down. Oh, my back. Oh! Alright, it is the end of day 4. It's around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Kelly and I are about to go. I just wanted to give you an update, show you what we accomplished today. We didn't really get to film a whole lot because we were rushing to get some stuff done. But let's take a look upstairs. So Kelly spent all day stripping the wallpaper out of my office. Did an amazing job. That is all that's left. She did all this. Phenomenal work. And then I want to show you what the basement looks like. As nice as the wallpaper is being gone, it smells better in the basement. It's a miracle. Check it out. Got a little, set up a little makeshift workbench there. It's a little bit low, but you know, got a new dehumidifier going. Trying to make this place a little more livable. Look at that dumbwaiter completely gone. Look how much that opens up the space. Isn't that crazy? Door gone. This place is practically unrecognizable from the way it was. I took out those rotten pieces of wood over here. Oh man, it has been a very, very busy day, and I am very tired, and I would like to quit.